Hey, this is Chris with Engadget, and here's everything you needed to know about the Samsung Galaxy S7 in less than a minute. First off, Samsung has been listening. So you wanted a waterproof device? Here you go. It's more or less waterproof. It's enough to handle a beer being dropped on it. It also has a micro SD card slot, which we didn't get last year. Let's talk about that screen. Samsung knows how to make a hell of a display, and we've got a real winner here. It's a smaller display. It's 5.1 inches running at Quad HD, so it's incredibly pixel dense. And while we're talking about really lovely things, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 processor, it's a quad-core chip, actually provides a lot of horsepower. Sadly, Samsung's TouchWiz interface does run a little heavy on top of Android Marshmallow, so some of that power is offset, and the camera, while generally very, very good, I think it's actually much better than the ones in the iPhone that I use every day, we do lose a little bit of the detail that we got out of last year's flagship cameras. All in all, this is one of Samsung's best ever smartphones, and if you're looking for a package that combines power and portability, well, your search really should start here.